Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a domain from Netlify. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So what we first need to do is go to app.netlify.com, sign into your account. Now, once we're signed into our account, we want to go ahead and click onto the projects tab. Now, to the right of this, you're going to see all your projects. Now, choose the project where you'd like to remove that domain. So I'm going to go ahead and click on an old project of mine called golfersden.com. So this is a golf site I used to have up and running back in the day. So from here, we want to go ahead and click into it, and then on the left hand side we've got project overview, and then from here we got domain management. Now on the right under production domains, we want to go ahead and remove. So I've got golfersden.com connected. Now I want to go ahead and basically click onto options and then click on remove domain, click on remove domain again, and that's going to remove that domain from your project.